Hey everyone, I'm Jackie Ammons. Tell you a little bit of background information about me. I have been a nurse for 25 years. I have worked as a med-surg staff nurse, operating room staff nurse, director of med-surg, and I am currently a nurse educator at Sampson Community College, where I originally graduated nursing school from in 1995. It's great to work there. I know a lot of the staff there. Some of them even taught me. Some I went to school with. It's like a great big family. Telling you a little bit about my family, I have a 19-year-old daughter, a 16-year-old son, and I have been married for 25 years. In my current role now as a nurse educator, I work with the senior level students, and we are preparing them to take their NCLEX. There's been many challenges this week, as everyone knows, with the coronavirus. So we've been trying to convert our face-to-face instruction to online instruction. So there's been a lot of work that's been put into that this week, and still more work to come. With that being said, and the uncertainties of everything, my project that I've had in mind for a while now is to do an escape room as for my implementation part of my project. In order to assess prior to, I wanted to do some kind of quiz or survey to see how prepared students thought they were for NCLEX, and then do the escape room to kind of get their brain ready to take the NCLEX to a comprehensive review in that, and see how they did on their ATI comprehensive predictor. If you guys do not know, the ATI is a wonderful tool that our school uses, and it is a very good indication of how the student is going to do on their NCLEX. So I kind of like to use that as the post test of their implementation of the escape room. Still in the process of figuring this out with all of the challenges that we have going on now, trying to move things to a virtual world. I'm not really sure how to implement an escape room virtually. So I've been trying to look and see what options I have available. So if you guys see anything out there that will help me, please pass it along my way. I'd be more than happy to take any kind of help. And I will do the same for you for your projects. I look forward to working with each and every one of you as we get one step closer towards our goal. Good luck.